What the frick? What the frick? What are they do? What are they doing? Why are they? What? Do you guys need some assistance? It's not very far of a drop. I promise you won't get hurt.
Of course.
Why? Yeah, guys. Yeah. What are you doing? Wow. Never go full retard. Oh my gosh. Can I like... Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. I have to go to each one of them individually to get them off of there. Oh my gosh.